Let's tell the story of the great Mary Nzimiro. Welcome to today's episode of Mpako. We are going to be telling a story of another great Igbo woman in celebration of Igbo ingenuity. Mary Nzimiro was born in 1898 in Oguta, Imo State. Her birth name was Mary Onomono. She was the first child of Chief Onomono Uzaru, a colonial warrant chief, and Ruth Onomono, a successful trader in palm produce. She attended Sacred Heart School in Oguta and later convent school in Asaba, where she completed her education in 1920. Same 1920, she married Richard Okosha Nzimiro, a clerk with the United Africa Company, UAC. Mary Nzimiro became a trader selling palm oil, cosmetics, textiles, and even gunpowder in local markets. In the mid-1940s, she settled in Port Harcourt after traveling quite a bit of places because of her husband's job, where she now expanded her business, becoming one of the most successful Igbo businesswomen in her time. In 1948, she was appointed as the primary distributor for the United Africa Company, UAC, in eastern Nigeria, a role that made her a key supplier of goods across Nigeria, Ghana, and Sierra Leone. She owned multiple businesses and properties, including a home at Bernard Carr Street, Port Harcourt, petrol stations in partnership with Ajip and Total, and several retail outlets in major cities. Mary Nzimiro used her wealth to support education, offering scholarships and training a lot of young women in trade. She was the real woman empowering women. In 1945, she and her husband established a school in Oguta, later renamed Priscilla Memorial Grammar School in honor of their daughter, Dr. Priscilla Nzimiro, the first Igbo woman to earn a medical degree from University of Glasgow. We will tell the story of Priscilla in another episode. In 1966, she established Nzimiro Memorial Girls Secondary School, dedicated to educating and empowering young Igbo women. She was an active member of the National Council of Nigeria and the Cameroons, NCNC, and served as the Vice President of the NCNC Eastern Women Association in 1962. During the Nigerian Civil War, in 1967 to 1970, she mobilized Igbo women in support of Biafra, using her resources to support the cause. As a result of the war, she lost most of her properties in Port Harcourt, but she was committed to her people. She then returned to Oguta. She lived a life of impact and empowerment. Mary Nzimiro passed away on January 16, 1993, leaving behind a legacy of entrepreneurship, education, and women's empowerment. She is remembered as one of the first Igbo millionaire women, a trailblazer, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and political activist. And this is the story of Mary Nzimiro. Hope you are inspired. I am. Next episode, we are going to be talking about another empowering story of Igbo ingenuity. My name is Amarachi Atama Ugo, and this is the Mpako series, where we share historic stories to inspire, to empower, and to celebrate the Igbo ingenuity. Join me next time. Kai Humbozo, Ndewono.